Good day, everyone. My name is Marvic Clarin, and we are the group designated for discussing the designs of highway road. The evolution. In ancient times, roads were essentially footpaths created by travelers who followed the same route repeatedly. These paths served as essential connection between different communities and played a crucial role in facilitating the trade and cultural exchange. Peoples and goods were transported using animals such as horses, donkeys, and oxen, which acted as a primary road of transportation. The reliance on footpaths and animal transport reflected the simplicity of early civilization and their close relationship with nature. As time goes on, the invention of the wheel marks a significant turning point in the road development. The introduction of carts and wagons empowered humans to transport heavier loads more efficiently. The wheel's adoption revolutionized travel and trade, enabling societies to expand and interact over the great distances. As the use of wheeled vehicles became more prevalent, road networks faced new challenges. Footpaths were no longer adequate to handle the increased traffic and the weight of loaded carts, necessity the need for the robust and durable road surfaces. With the growth of civilization and increased demand for efficient transportation, innovative solutions were developed to address the limitations of footpaths. Early engineers began laying stones and other sturdy materials to create more stable road surfaces, essentially paving the way for improved travel conditions. These early paved roads allowed for more smoother travel, especially during periods of heavy rain or dry weather where footpaths became impassable or dusty. Paving roads represented a significant step in the road infrastructure, enabling better connectivity between regions and promoting economic and cultural exchange. The discovery of hard surface roadways in Mesopotamia in 3500 BC represents significant advancement in ancient civilizations, infrastructure, and transportation systems. The streets of prominent cities like Ur and Uruk were paved with stone, showcasing the remarkable engineering capabilities of the time. This early development of hard surface roads served two crucial purposes, each contributing to a growth and stability of these ancient societies. One, defense and security. One of the primary purposes of constructing hard surface roads in Mesopotamia was for military defense. The region faced threats and invasion from neighboring tribes and empires, making it vital to establish strong and efficient communication and transportation routes. These hard surface roads allowed for rapid movement of troops and supplies, enabling faster responses for potential threats. Additionally, the well-maintained road facilitated efficient coordination and deployment of armies, enhancing the overall defense of the ancient civilizations. 2. Trade and commerce. Another critical function of the early road networks in Mesopotamia was to facilitate trade and commerce. Between nearby settlements, the cities were centers of the economic activity. The hard surface of the roads allowed for smooth movement of goods such as agriculture products, textiles, and pottery. Between these two settlements, the roadway contributed to the growth of thriving trade networks, encouraging economic prosperity and cultural exchange in region. By serving both military and economic purposes, these hard surface roads played a crucial role in development and stability of the ancient Mesopotamian societies. The road not only ensured the safety and security of the cities by enabling swift and thorough response, but also facilitated the exchange of good ideas, fostering connections between different communities. The Romans' road building achievements are legendary, and they are indeed credited for creating an extensive network of roads that spanned vast distance throughout the empire. This remarkable feat allowed the Roman legions to move swiftly and efficiently across the nation, facilitating military campaigns and aiding in administration of the empire. The Roman engineers designed their roads to be straight as possible, even if the face of challenging terrains like hills and mountains. This design principle allowed their troops to travel with speed and ease, reducing travel time and enhancing their military effectiveness. The construction of the Roman roads involved a meticulous process that ensures durability and longevity. The foundation of the roads was built using hard sedimentary rocks, providing a stable base for the construction. On top of the foundation, a second layer was prepared using pebbles and crushed stones mixed with dirt to create compact and solid surfaces. This layer served as a sub-base and further stabilized the road.
John Metcalfe, British civil engineer and road builder John Metcalfe. popularly known as Blind Jack of Naresburg, lived in the 18th century. Despite having smallpox-related blindness since he was 6 years old, Metcalfe made significant improvements to the building of roads and bridges in the northern England. Metcalfe used cutting-edge method to build roads. He placed an emphasis on good drainage and created roadways with a small crown in the middle to aid with water runoff. He built a hard and long-lasting road surface using materials that were readily available nearby, such as limestone and gravel. Telford Construction. Thomas Telford is a Scottish engineer who founded the Institution of Civil Engineering in London. He insisted on creating a clear cross slope for the pavement's top surface by alternating the foundation stones' thickness. He supported using a hefty foundation above the soil subgrade to maintain the road foundation's formation. He suggests a cross drained at roughly 90-meter intervals often below the foundation. McAdam Construction. John McAdam of Scotland created the macadam pavement type in the 18th century. The cross-section of Macadam's road was made out of a compact subgrade of crushed granite or greenstone intended to hold the load, covered by a surface of lightstone to absorb the wear and tear and shed water into the drainage ditches. Crushed stone or gravel is positioned on the compact base course and cement together with asphalt, cement, or hot tar in modern macadam construction. Then a third layer is poured and rolled to fill the gaps as a bind cement and slurry in occasion employed.
Asphalt and concrete. With the advent of the automobile in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, the demand for better roads increased. Asphalt and concrete became popular materials for highway construction. Asphalt, a petroleum-based product, was flexible and suitable for various climates. Concrete, made from cement, aggregate, and water, provided a durable and rigid surface. The importance of highway. Highways serve as an essential part of the transportation infrastructure and are very important in today's society. Here are some primary arguments supporting the significance of highway roads. First is the facilities and economic growth. Highways make it possible for goods and services to be transported, promoting trade and business. They link industrial hubs, ports, airports, and commercial areas, enabling effective transit of supplies, goods, and raw materials. A strong economy supporting sectors, businesses, and supply chain require reliable roadway networks. Second is it enhances mobility. People can travel effectively and conveniently thanks to highways. They link urban, rural, and suburban areas, making it possible for people to commute to work, access healthcare and education, and travel to leisure or tourist attractions. Reduced travel times, greater mobility alternatives, and an improvement in quality of life are all benefits of high quality highways with smooth surfaces and enough capacity. Third is regional and national connectivity. Highways are a crucial part of regional and governmental connectivity. They enable the movement of people and goods over great distances by connecting various states and regions. Highways are vital for transportation because they allow for the integration of various communities and promote social and cultural interaction. And last is it provides safety and efficiency. Highways that are well built and well maintained increase traffic safety. Well defined lanes, clear signage, effective junction designs, and reasonable speed restrictions all contribute to fewer accidents and better traffic flow. Highways that are built with safety in mind, such as appropriate lighting and effective traffic control system, encourage safer driving. However, there are challenges in highway. First is funding and budget constraints. Highway road building, upkeep, and upgrading all require adequate finance. Budget constraints can prevent projects from being finished on time, cause maintenance will be put off and worsen the state of the road. For transportation authorities, finding sustainable sources of income while balancing budget priorities is an ongoing challenge. Second is safety concerns. Highway officials face a serious task in ensuring traffic safety. Accidents and fatalities are influenced by factors such as driver behavior, high speed traffic, poor road layout, and inadequate signage. To reduce dangers and increase highway safety, safety measures must be put into place, such as better road sign, effective traffic management, and public education program. And lastly, the technological advancement. The fast-paced development of technology, including linked and driverless vehicles, offers highway roads to both potential and challenges. To ensure a secure and effective deployment of new technologies, it is necessary to update infrastructure, handle cybersecurity issues, and modify regulatory frameworks. Government agencies must work together to address this issue. That's all. Thank you for watching.